Okay, this is Mike, and I'm going to do a power supply replacement in a 520 Optiplex PC from Dell. First, make sure you're all unplugged. Get to the 3 screws in the back at the power supply. Hopefully this will only take a couple of minutes. Okay, the power supply is basically loose. There's a wire tie right here that holds the cables to the hard drive. So we want to cut that wire tie off. Throw that away, move that out of the way. Grab the 2 blue tabs, pull straight up. Disconnect the hard drive. Disconnect the power from the hard drive. Slide it out from underneath the bottom. Set it aside. Take the optical drive, pull the little tab up, slide it back and lift out. Disconnect from the motherboard just by pulling straight up. Set that aside. Now we want to disconnect this cable from all the way in the front. You just squeeze and pull straight up. You push it to the back. And now this cable here in the front, you just squeeze the little tab and pull straight up. And the power supply will come right out. And to put it back, just reverse what I did.
Okay.
Should be good. What do you think?